This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom market report and cash flow account update for the week ending August 22nd, 2025. The market finished mixed this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 1.89% on Friday and was up 1.53% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 1.52% on Friday and was up 0.27% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 1.88% on Friday, but was down minus 0.58% for the week. The market finishing a volatile week higher on Friday was good and all, but that doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin finished a very volatile week, slightly down. It decreased minus 0.7% this week, but that doesn't really matter either because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. And looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Cipher Mining Incorporated, ticker symbol CIFR in the first column. It was up 8.14% on Friday and increased 22.46% for the week. Cipher Mining Incorporated is a technology company that develops and operates industrial-scale Bitcoin mining data centers. They have 4 mining centers in Texas, 1 in Odessa, Texas, 1 near Happy, Texas, and 2 near Andrews, Texas. The facility that is near Andrews, Texas is a 10 megawatt data center that is connected to the local electric grid. Cipher's stock price increase this week seems to be a result of a buy recommendation from Zacks Research and price target increases from 4 other analysts. The company's revenue did increase by 18.2% in the second quarter as related to the same time last year, but their expenses also increased significantly. What do you think about Cipher? Is it a buy? This week, I generated cash flow from selling 9 different option contracts that range from $55.34 to $175.34. I received a total of $893.06 for the 9 options contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, and that's because I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. And guess what? I have reached my cash flow goal. I have already surpassed $30,000 more than 4 months ahead of schedule. I'm not going to set a new goal. I'll just keep making cash flow. Maybe I should hold a contest, award $100 to the subscriber who guesses how much total cash flow I generate for the year. Type yes in the comments section if you want me to hold the contest. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. And you can give it away. What should I do with my $893.06 this week? This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount decrease from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. And my total account value increased 0.4%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. Though there are many ways to use options, in fact, there are hundreds of different option strategies that people have come up with. I employ one of the easiest strategies, one that guarantees me income every week. It is very simple, it is very easy, and it is known by people who trade options. At least I think it is. I kind of stumbled upon this strategy through trial and error, but it already has a name. Do you know what the strategy is called? My way of applying the strategy, though, is a bit different from how others apply it. I do some things differently. For example, I employ an inventory management and momentum technique. I never close and I never roll. My way is much easier than what I've heard other YouTubers say. They use a lot of math to calculate return percentages, potential profit, and they talk about maximizing gains. I keep it simple and straightforward. I don't try to maximize anything. I take what the market gives me, which is at least $500 per week and often more, based on my inventory management and momentum system. Before you try to understand this strategy, and definitely before you try to apply it, you should think about reading a book or two, or maybe three, to gain foundational knowledge about stocks and options as well as the U.S. financial system. Fortunately, there are hundreds, actually thousands of books available to you for free at the library, or you can buy them cheaply online. Most books are designed to inform you kind of generally and not specifically. However, there are a few how-to books that show you exactly what to do. Whether they are general or specific, most books should help you change your mindset. And that is the first step. You can do it. I am not showing you exactly how I use options. It should be good enough to understand that I sell options related to Bitcoin. I don't buy options. There are plenty of people, traders, investors, and financial institutions that buy options. I get money from the options I sell. This is why cash flow is guaranteed. Selling options is a lot easier than selling anything else. For one, I don't have to advertise. There is no marketing costs. I don't have to search for or find buyers. There is no customer acquisition costs. If you understood the U.S. financial system, you would know that the buyers are built into the system. The only cost that I incur is a commission fee, and you can see that the fee that I pay is usually 66 cents for each sale. Are there any drawbacks? You tell me in the comments section what drawbacks there are. Are there any? Let me know. The purpose of my videos is to report and show you the proof of getting guaranteed income as I receive it week to week, not afterwards. I hope that you are motivated enough to do your own research, read, watch YouTube videos, discuss with a trusted and knowledgeable person, and see what they have to say. If they don't know what I'm talking about, then that's the wrong person to be talking to. They simply don't know enough. In the meanwhile, check back each week to see how much cash flow or income I generate. And say yes in the comments section if you want me to hold a contest to guess my final 2025 cash flow amount. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.